In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dying Light 2 with friends on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Let's say you are trying to play from a PlayStation 5 and you have a friend who is on PlayStation 4. Can both of you play together? Well, actually, yes. Dying Light introduced cross-generation play a while back, so in one of the most recent updates, you are now able to invite your friends who are on different generations than you. So even if you are on next gen, you will still be able to play with friends who are using old gen consoles. And the process is exactly the same as inviting anyone else who is on the same platform as you. So you will be able to do cross-gen, but keep in mind that crossplay is going to be more limited. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on cross-gen exclusively. So all that you have to do is join any game, and if you are starting a new file, you will have to go through the tutorial until you reach your first camp and survive your first night, where you will be able to unlock the option to host sessions. After that is done, just pause the game at any point and you will be able to invite them. You will notice that I am doing this process on PC, but don't worry, it is going to be exactly the same. I'm only recording on my PC for more quality. So once you pause the game at any point, you will be able to go ahead and set up your session. So you can press the appropriate button at the bottom left to change the session to friends only, or you can leave it open if you would like random people to join. Friends only means that only your friends will be able to access this, and then you can control all of the other aspects like zombie invasions and frequency. Once this is done, you will see your friends list and you can go ahead and invite them. Even if your friend is playing on old gen consoles, you should still see them here. So all that you have to do is select their profile and choose the option to invite the game. It's as simple as selecting them here and then inviting them to your session. Once they join, all of you will be able to play together and you can populate all of the 3 empty slots here. So this is all you have to do to cross-gen on Dying Light 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Dying Light 2 with friends, PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.